Hello. In this video, I'll be glad to explain you how easily it is to replace the sky, and we'll discuss with you a few levels of simple, advanced, and more advanced, like the highest professional option, how huge your control is with the sky replacement in VisMaker. It's quite common topic, so let's jump into VisMaker. I'll show you ready-made scene, how it's made, and then we'll just and then we'll just do the same with the new file, and you'll also receive this file in the link to this video, so feel free to test it. You can use the same images or you can use your own images. So the first image and the first method is very simple. We generally create a simple prompt or more advanced prompt, and it is our easiest way to change the sky. So we will use a simple prompt where we can just ask AI to change our sky, and that's all. That's quite simple. The second level of the advanced is we are using some internet sky we can find on a Google, Pinterest, no matter where, and we try to connect our images. So we basically connected our source file and this image with a correct prompt and correct engine. We are receiving quite beautiful result. And the most advanced option is difficult prompting. When you have a source file of your exterior, you have a source file of your sky, and you try to create something new. You try to change the sky, for example, for some dramatic storm clouds, and then you try to find the best connection of your source file and with your new reference files. So that's basically three main ideas. So to repeat them, we'll have a simple prompting in this way. We just prompt the sky we want to get. We have a more advanced option where we connect our files together, just like sky and our exterior file. And the most advanced option is editing our source image to the level we need. It's the most difficult one and the most interesting. And here you'll find also example how we made it for a night option. It was quite simple. We used also the fastest way to use our presets or your own presets. At this moment, I don't have my presets, so I just changed day to night by this button. And now I have a night version and night sky, and simply I just merged them to this result. So finally we received a few options in a few seconds, so we can simply compare them now and check how it's going. And it looks really good. So I think that's all for this video. In next video, I'll jump in and explain you step by step how we can connect those images, and you'll know a little bit more how you can do it fast in your own video. And see you then. Bye.